Hello kids, in this video we will learn about shapes and color names. So let's start. It is violet color. It is blue color. It is red color. It is golden color. It is yellow color. It is green color. It is black color. Let us draw these shapes. It is U-turn. This shape is smiley. It is a emoji. It is rhombus or diamond. This shape is heart. It is cube. It is a 3D shape. It is cross. It looks like addition symbol. Kids, let us color the shapes. It is light green color. This shape is U-turn. It is golden color. This shape is smiley. It is a emoji. It is blue color. It is rhombus or diamond. Has 4 sides. It is red color. This shape is heart. It is violet color. It is cube. It has 6 faces and it is a 3D shape. Yellow color. It is cross. It looks like addition symbol. Kids, let us recall the shapes and color name once again. This is U-turn, green color, smiley emoji, golden color, rhombus or diamond, blue color, heart, red color, cube, violet color, cross, yellow color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.